Steinway. In car number 841, Julie Trinkley. In car number 97, Sandy Palmer. The ladies sound of a siren. If a siren sounds during an event, this telling the driver to stop the car immediately. Something's wrong on the racetrack, set to the fire, an injury, or something of that nature. Bring them on, ladies. And 3 of these drivers will also qualify for a starting spot in the feature event. Now, fans, the driver does qualify for the feature event, so if their car had been destroyed, unable to run the feature event, if they can find another car to run, they can do so. However, it cannot be a fresh automobile. It must be an automobile that has participated in the Demolition Derby here this evening. As the cars come onto the racetrack, the number 12 car, Branham in that 12 car, car number 722 on the racetrack. That's Marga in the number 722, number 47 is Hasty Factor, moving back away from the competition area. Holding up, drivers. Are we clear on the racetrack? Drivers, at the sound of the siren, here we go! First event is underway with the number 12 car, car number 722, with the 19 car to the far right-hand side, with car number 69 down on the inside, hammering into the number 12 car, car number 722. 722 moving down the right-hand side of the competition area, and the 44 car stopping momentarily. Now at the far right-hand side, number 97 stopping momentarily with the number 3 car. A lot of action automobiles, and 3 of these drivers will qualify for a starting spot in the feature event. That car number 722 gets hammered by the 12 car, and here comes that 97. Car number 97 moving down the right-hand side. On the high side of the competition area with car number 33. Haynes, that 33 driver, got a good crack at that number 12, and a four-way crash right in the middle of the competition area with car number 97. 97 car. Now the left-hand side of the competition area, car number 722 moves on the outside, and car number 33 is on the clock along with car number 69. 69 car also on the clock as the number 19 car, car number 12, and the number 97 car move back in the middle of the competition area. Look at 722. 722 up against the 33 car, and an automobile on the extreme right-hand corner of your competition area has stopped along with car number 69, 69 car, and 33. 33 has got to get away from the wall under his own power, and here comes that number 841 car. Car number 841 was on the clock. Watch that driver's door. Watch that driver's door, number 841. At car number 19. Car number 19 and the 47 car. All action automobiles. All automobiles are still action automobiles at car number 44. Out to the left-hand side of the competition area is the number 19 car and car number 12. With car number 97. And on the far side, it looks like I've got an automobile against the wall on the far side being number 3 car. Car number 3 is on the clock. 3 car on the clock along with car number 841. That number 841 car is on the clock. Number 3 and 841 are both on the clock at this particular time, along with the number 33 car and car number 44 and the number 12 car. That's car number 69 getting into that number 3 car, hammering the backside of the number 3, 841, not moving. 841 car is not moving, and car number 19. 19 car is meant to move that automobile. On the front side, the number 33 car is on the clock. Car number 33 is on the clock, and the automobile right in back of the 33 car also on the clock at this time. At time running out, one car number 841 and the number 3 car, and both those automobiles did manage to move. They are still action automobiles, however, time running out on the number 33 car, and the automobile went back to the 33 car. Car number 12 on the far side of the competition area, and the number 722, and car number 12 is on the clock. Car number 12 is on the clock, walking to the far side of the competition area with car number 47. 47 car, and car number 33 has got to get away from the wall on this side of the competition area under his own power as time is running out, as car number 722 and the 19 car with car number 12. Still a lot of action automobiles, and 3 of these drivers will qualify for a spot in the feature event as car number 12, number 722 and the 19 car are on the clock. They've got to lose on their own power, along with the number 12 car and this brown automobile. All 4 of those automobiles are on the clock with the number 3 car on the far side. Car number 3 was on the clock, and 47 car is on the clock.
Going down to my car.
And time is elapsed on car number 33, and the brown automobile in back of that 33 car. Time is elapsed on both those automobiles. And on the far side, number 69, number 12, and the 19 car. Car number 722, not running at 722, is running out of time quickly. Got to move that. And time is elapsed on car number 722. Time is elapsed on the 722 car. Our field is narrowed considerably as car number 19 tries to move away from that disabled automobile on the far side. And a lot of smoke coming out from the hood of that number 92 car. Car number 92 and number 12. 12 on the inside of the 92 car and car number 44 with car number 69. 69 and the 97 car is on the clock. She's not going to move car very, very time quickly at car number 19, 47 car, and the number 3 car on the far side. Shut her off, number 722. 722. Time had elapsed on that number 722, and time running out on number 97. And 47 cars. Shut it down, number 47. Time is elapsed on 47, and time is also elapsed on car number 92. Time is elapsed on the 92 car. On car number 44, 69, number 12. 47, shut it down, number 47. And 47 cars, shut it down. Time had elapsed on 47. Car number 12 and the 69 with a 19 car. And the number 3 car in action automobile along with car number 44. 44 car, moving into the number and 92. Time is left on that 92 car. That car number 44 slides around on the inside and hammers into that disabled number 92 and shut it down, number 47. 47 car. Time has elapsed on 47. Time had elapsed on that 47 car. 47, shut it down. Time had elapsed on car number 47 and the number 92 car. Shut it down, number 47, number 722. Time is elapsed on that automobile. As the officials move on to the competition area, fans, we still have a lot of action automobiles. Are we clear on the competition area? Gentlemen, ladies, at the sound of the siren, here we go. 97 car. Time had elapsed on that 97 car. Shut it down, number 97 and the number 44 car. Car number 44 is on the clock down the right-hand side of the competition area. Car number 97. Time had elapsed on that automobile. That's car number 69 car. Moving back to the middle of the competition area. Number 841, 841, and 19 car in action automobile. And I've got 3 action automobiles. Number 3 is on the clock. Right now, fans, action automobiles along the number 12 car. Time is running out on number 44 car. And the number 3. Number 44 and 3 are on the clock and running out of time quickly. Our action automobiles located inside the competition area. Being car number 19. Number 841. Is on that. Time is left on car number 44 and the number 3 car. Other action automobile down the left-hand side is car number 19. 19 car number 841 is on the clock down the right-hand side. And time is left on car number 69. Time is left on the 69 car. Number 2. Time on number 841 car. 841 car with a little time remaining. And time has elapsed on that number 841 car in the extreme right-hand corner of your competition area. Time had elapsed on car number 69. Shut it down, number 69. Shut it down, number 69. Time had elapsed on 69.